Hi, welcome. This is going to be my fifth trial in making a video. I just made something about variety. Go check it out. How to fix things, how to make your own changes to a package build and build it so you're in control. This video is also about being in control, but it's about Arch root and booting up. And there's a system that really does not boot up and you're on a black screen. What should I do? This is the article. You can always repair ArcoLinux. You can always repair ArcoLinux. The others are important as well, so mind you, check them out. Everything that's to the right here needs your attention. So this is the article I want to talk to, but next video. What I'm going to do is include this particular video in here as well, because we have a system that's not booting. Everything is black, and I just had that, and I fixed my own computer again. Probably human error, you know, when you go for the button to reboot and just keep pressing 10 seconds, power is off. Might be that might be something else, I don't know. Anyway, the system is fixed. This is my system that I've repaired. It's an ArcoLinux B plasma thing. And what I wanted to share is the following. If you do have, let's power down. Well, no, Eric, not yet. Take yourself a USB, right? Okay. USB goes into the machine. We have this beautiful application that has been working for 4 years, always making images to our USB. So ArcoLinux, any ISO can be burned to a USB. But now I need to format. That's the other option, stick formatter. So the thing is in there, FAT32, so I can get it, voila, compatible everywhere. They say it cannot handle files larger than 4 GB. Hey, this could be great for an exam question, right? This is it. This is a nice overview. So FAT32, I can give it to a Mac guy, to a Windows guy. It's gonna read it. And I'm gonna format. That's quickly done. So now I have something to boot up with. So, well, if in case you wonder what this thing is, this very crowded wallpaper, well, crowded, right? Some guys know already what I'm hinting for. IT crowd. Google or YouTube IT crowd and enjoy the videos. It's a series about IT. You got that. So restart. I need to be out of the system. Hence, I'm recording everything with my Samsung and going to press F8 on my keyboard so I can boot up with a system. Now, of course, I need to do this into the system. So I've burned an ISO to my system. I need to be able to boot from there and not, of course, from an empty USB. So that goes out, that goes in, and Eric needs to reboot. Control-Alt-Delete. Yeah, that works. And again, F8, entering boot menu. The proper ISO is in there. You can work with an ArcoLinux ISO. The advantage of using ours is that you end up in something graphical. That might be an interesting idea, right? ArcoLinux ISO will be a TTY version and you'll be sudo. In our version, you'll have a graphical environment. You'll not be sudo, but I can type 4 letters before any command, so that's okay. But the advantage, of course, is, guys, you can look up things. You have a system that's actually safe. If you want to keep things safe, no viruses, as aware, I don't know what kind of websites you are going to visit, but a live version, a live DVD stays literally nowhere because there is no connection to the hard disk. There is nothing to be infected. It's just the live DVD. You plug it out, you reboot, it's out of your memory. All right, just saying, what I want to do in this video is go to the file manager. This was my USB that I formatted. Plugging that in as well. And there he is, USB stick. This one is my big chunk of SSD that failed or whatever. You can't boot into it, and then you remember, oh my God, all this work I've done, I need to have it. So 500 gigabyte of volume, this is your system, your SSD of 500 gigabyte in my case. And I have a home, everybody has a home, and in there you have your documents, and one of those documents you don't want to lose. I work with Dropbox and InSync. So InSync is an application for Google Drive, and Dropbox, you know, of course. So anything that I put in here is online. So crash all you want. I can play around all I want. It's playground, it's Linux time, and everything is online anyway. So if you did not do that, and you say this folder data should have been in InSync and should have been synchronized, it's not. You just get Control C, get whatever things you like, need, and put them on the USB stick. Control V. And that's all what I want to explain in this video. An easy way to get your files back. All right, plug in an external hard disk. This is a small USB stick, but can be as big as your money can afford, basically. These days, terabytes. And then you reboot, you just shut down, you can unplug this thing and unmount this thing, and it's gone again. You can unmount this as well, but this is all live, right? Live user, so it doesn't really matter. Our data is safe, and we just shut down. That's what I want to say in this video. Next video will be, what did I do to fix my system, because it's working again. All right.